If you've ever tried to shove a big water bottle, insulated tumbler, or oversized coffee cup into your car's tiny factory cup holder, you already know the struggle. It either wobbles around, tips over during a turn, or simply doesn't fit at all. And suddenly, your drink ends up on the seat, the console, or worse, your electronics. It's a small problem that turns into a big annoyance fast. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 car cup holder expanders that actually solve this issue, so you can safely carry larger bottles without spills, rattling, or frustration. And real quick before we jump in, if you like honest automotive gear reviews that save you money and help you avoid buying the wrong accessories, hit that subscribe button. I test and research products so you don't have to. Also, check the description for the latest deals on all the expanders I'm covering today, and if you're not sure which one will fit your vehicle or bottle size, drop a comment with your car model, and I'll help you choose the right one. Starting off at number 5, we've got the Zydian Car Cup Holder Expander. This is one of the most straightforward and affordable solutions out there, but it still packs some surprisingly practical design features. The expander base is built from durable ABS plastic designed to fit into most standard vehicle cup holders, and it uses an adjustable rubber grip sleeve around the base to stabilize itself once inserted. The upper holder expands to accommodate larger bottles and tumblers, including those wide insulated stainless steel bottles that never seem to fit factory holders. Inside the cradle, you'll find flexible silicone tabs that help grip bottles while preventing scratches. The design also includes a small slot that can accommodate cups with handles, which is actually something many expanders overlook. In real-world use, this kind of simple expander works best for drivers who mainly want a quick fix for oversized bottles without spending much. Installation is basically instant. You drop it in, twist to snug it up, and you're done. It works especially well for commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone carrying large reusable water bottles daily. It may not have the premium feel of higher-end expanders, but for the price, it dramatically improves bottle stability compared to most stock cup holders. One small downside is that the adjustment system isn't quite as heavy-duty as premium models, but for normal driving, it still holds bottles securely. Now, if you want something with a more refined design and stronger grip, the next option steps things up. Coming in at number 4 is the OYTUTUS Upgraded Car Cup Holder Expander. This model takes the basic concept and improves the stability significantly with a wider adjustable base and reinforced construction. The body is made from thicker automotive-grade plastic designed to handle heavier insulated bottles, and the base uses an expanding rubber grip system that tightens inside the vehicle's existing cup holder. The upper cup cradle expands wide enough to support larger tumblers and bottles, and it includes multiple flexible silicone retention tabs that keep the drink centered and reduce movement while driving. There's also a thoughtful U-shaped cutout in the rim that allows mugs with handles to sit naturally without tilting. Where this expander shines is stability. When you're driving on rough roads, taking sharp corners, or braking suddenly, the wider base keeps everything planted much better than cheaper expanders. For drivers who regularly carry large hydro flasks, Yeti-style tumblers, or oversized travel mugs, this upgrade really helps prevent tipping and rattling. Installation still takes seconds, and it works in most cars, SUVs, and trucks with standard cup holder depths. One minor drawback is that it can sit slightly taller than some compact expanders, which may block nearby console buttons in very tight interiors. But what if you want more than just a bottle holder? The next option adds something most drivers use constantly. At number 3, we've got the Boccolino 2-in-1 Universal Cup Holder Expander with Phone Holder. This one combines two of the most useful cockpit upgrades into a single accessory. The base is designed similarly to other expanders with an adjustable stabilizing sleeve that locks into the car's existing cup holder. Above that, the expanded drink holder supports larger bottles and insulated cups using flexible anti-slip rubber tabs. But the real feature here is the integrated phone mount arm that extends upward from the holder. The mount includes adjustable clamps to fit most smartphones and allows rotation so you can position the screen for navigation or hands-free calls. From a usability standpoint, this combo design is extremely convenient for drivers who don't want multiple mounts cluttering the dashboard. You keep your drink secure while your phone sits at eye level for maps or music control. It works well in vehicles where dashboard mounting options are limited, and it's especially popular with rideshare drivers or road trippers who rely heavily on navigation apps. The drink holder itself is still sturdy enough for large bottles, which is important because some combo mounts sacrifice stability. The only small downside is that if you frequently swap between very large bottles and smaller cups, the phone arm may occasionally need repositioning. Now, if you're looking for something built a bit tougher with a more engineered feel, the next pick moves into premium territory. At number 2, we have the upgraded Integral Ultimate Car Cup Holder Expander. This is a more heavy-duty design built specifically for larger bottles and high-capacity insulated tumblers. The construction uses reinforced polymer materials designed to withstand the weight of full stainless steel bottles without flexing. The base features a precision-adjustable expansion system that tightens firmly inside the original cup holder, helping eliminate wobble even on rough roads. The upper cradle expands significantly wider than many basic expanders and uses durable rubberized tabs to grip bottles securely. The design also includes a handle slot and a balanced weight distribution system that keeps tall bottles from leaning. In practice, this is the kind of expander drivers appreciate on long road trips or daily commutes with larger bottles. It feels sturdy, the grip is strong, and it handles heavier insulated containers without the tipping issues cheaper expanders sometimes have. For truck owners, SUV drivers, or anyone carrying big 32-ounce or 40-ounce bottles, this model provides a noticeable step up in stability. Here's where it really stands out. Once it's installed correctly, it feels almost like part of the vehicle rather than an add-on accessory. The only drawback is that its wider base may not fit extremely narrow factory cup holders, which brings us to the number 1 pick. And this is the one many drivers end up sticking with long-term. Taking the top spot is the Swigzy Car Cup Holder Expander. This expander has built a reputation for being one of the most versatile and reliable options available. It features a highly adjustable base with a rubberized expansion system that tightens securely inside most vehicle cup holders. The construction uses durable polymer materials designed to handle daily use and heavy bottles. The upper holder expands wide enough for large insulated bottles, tumblers, and travel mugs, and it uses flexible silicone grip tabs to hold containers firmly while still allowing easy removal. One standout feature is the thoughtful cutout design that allows handled mugs to sit naturally without tilting or getting jammed. In real-world driving, the Swigzy strikes a balance that many expanders struggle to achieve. It's sturdy without being bulky, adjustable without feeling complicated, and stable even with larger stainless steel bottles. That balance makes it a great option for a wide range of drivers, from daily commuters carrying big water bottles to road trip travelers with oversized coffee tumblers. Installation takes seconds, and once it's locked into place, it stays stable through normal driving, braking, and cornering. The only small downside is that extremely tall bottles may still sit slightly higher than factory holders, but that's true for nearly every expander on the market. So here's the bottom line. If you just want a quick budget fix for larger drinks, the number 5 option gets the job done. The OYTUTUS expander is a great step up for drivers who want improved stability. The 2-in-1 model at number 3 is perfect for anyone who wants a phone mount and drink holder in one convenient setup. The Integral Ultimate Expander is ideal for heavy bottles and drivers who want a more rugged build. And the Swigzy takes the top spot because it delivers the best overall balance of compatibility, stability, and everyday usability. Cup holder expanders might seem like a small upgrade, but once you start carrying larger bottles safely without spills or wobbling, you'll wonder why you didn't install one sooner. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you subscribe for more honest automotive gear reviews. Check the description for the latest prices and deals on all 5 expanders. And if you're unsure which one will fit your vehicle or bottle size, drop your car model or bottle type in the comments, and I'll help you pick the right one.